current DevOps industry trends, are certifications actually worth it? Do you really need to spend some extra couple dollars just to get yourself maybe an AWS certified solutions architect, or an AWS certified DevOps engineer professional, or a Microsoft associate certification? Well, you want to watch this video to the end to know if certifications are actually relevant in you getting a job this year. The very first thing you should have at the back of your mind is certifications are not mandatory to get jobs. They are not mandatory to get jobs, but they play a very vital role in you easily getting a job. Or what are some of those advantages of getting a certification? The very first advantage of getting certification is certification actually validate your skills. Assume you've gone through an Azure bootcamp or you've gone through an AWS bootcamp, for you to actually validate some of the concepts you've understood around networking, security, user management, storage, compute, and everything relating to a particular cloud, you can easily validate those skills through a certification, because certifications actually check your knowledge on certain concepts relating to a particular technology. Even with Terraform Associate, Kubernetes certifications, and all whatnot, all those certifications actually help you to validate your skills in a particular technology. Secondly, certifications help you to stand out of the crowd. In as much as certifications are not important or they are not very necessary, some companies just need a certification to actually choose between two candidates. One or both of them having equal skill set, both of them having the same resume, both of them having the same understanding of technologies, but just a certification might select one person from the others. And lastly, certifications actually open up doors for new opportunities. There are some roles which you find out there, and the companies actually specify that we need an expert which has certification in a particular thing. Assuming a company focuses on Kubernetes and they are trying to deploy Kubernetes clusters, they are trying to manage clusters, secure clusters, it means that someone who has a certified Kubernetes administrator certification can be a better fit for that particular role, given the fact that they have a certification to back up their experience. The same thing goes maybe the company that is looking forward to automating their environment and they are trying to build Terraform templates, or they are trying to build automation scripts, infrastructure as code scripts for their environment. And there's someone who is actually certified as a Terraform associate. The Terraform associate certification which that person has can easily give the company more trust in selecting that particular candidate, because they have a certification that meets the existing requirement which they have for their environment. So having a certification that is actually relevant to what the company is doing actually helps to position you and to open up new career opportunities or new job opportunities for you. Maybe you finish your 6 months bootcamp, or you're currently taking a bootcamp, or maybe you've been an expert for a long time and you're wondering how to get yourself certified. The very first disclaimer I'll give is not all certifications are important. You must not get all the certifications that are available on the cloud because you want to call yourself I'm 6 times or I'm 10 times or 100 times certified expert in this and that. Not all certifications are important, but certifications which I can recommend for you are based on your career objectives and based on your career goals. Assuming you're a beginner, or maybe you just had elementary understanding of key DevOps concepts, you can basically start with the foundational certification which most of these cloud providers have. Microsoft, for example, has the Cloud Foundational certification. Amazon Web Services has the Cloud Practitioner certification, which are all foundational level certifications. You want to start with those foundational level certifications if you are a beginner. And now, assuming that you want to move yourself higher, you also want to take some of the associate level certifications which these cloud providers have. We have the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate, we have the Azure Associate, we also have the Terraform Associate. So you might take some of these associate certifications to further prove your experience as a beginner. Now, once you've worked in the industry maybe for 2 or 3 years, or you want to upskill yourself and you've gained some insights about some of these technologies, you can go on to take on the professional certifications. We have the DevOps Engineer Professional, the Solutions Architect Associate Professional. You can even take some other specialty certifications once you actually are confident about particular areas in a given cloud technology. So for beginners, I recommend the very basic cloud practitioner certifications and then the associate level certifications, and then once you're a little bit advanced 2 or 3 years in the industry, you can go on to start taking the professional level certifications. And now, if you want to develop your interest in a particular area, maybe you want to build your skills around Kubernetes, or you want to build your skill around microservices, or you want to build your skill around infrastructure as code, or you want to build your skill around monitoring, you can then go on to taking certifications with respect to those particular skills. Assuming that you want to build a lot of expertise with respect to infrastructure as code, you can go on to start taking certifications around Terraform, the Terraform Associate, or other related certifications for infrastructure as code. Assuming you want to build your expertise as a Kubernetes expert, you can go on to take the Kubernetes certifications, the Kubernetes Certified Administrator, the Kubernetes Security certifications that will give more confidence to a recruiter with respect to your skills in Kubernetes, and the list continues. So you taking a particular certification will just give more insight with with respect to your experience in that certifications. Certifications alone won't do the magic. You must be able to back up your certifications with the right skill set. Funny enough, you can get jobs without certifications, but I can't really assure you getting a job without the skills. So certifications come in to complement the skill set which you already have. It is more important you invest a lot of time understanding these technologies. If you're on Amazon Web Service Cloud, you want to effectively understand all the key technologies with respect to the Amazon Web Service Cloud. The same thing for Microsoft Azure or for Google Cloud. It is more important for you to have a good mastery, a good working experience with this set of technologies. After you've had a good mastery and a good working experience with this set of technologies, you can go on now to validate these skill sets through certifications. So certifications alone will not guarantee you getting jobs, especially in the current job market which you have. There's a lot of competition and there are a lot of experts, and you having the right skill set and the right certification can easily assure you or can easily guarantee you a job this year. So go ahead to build yourself the right skill set. I always recommend people having a lot of projects. Build a lot of projects. There are a lot of websites which have a lot of projects from all these cloud providers. You want to carry out a lot of projects, and once you're carrying out these projects, building your skills, you also want to document these projects. There are a lot of projects which you can implement, and you document these projects through a project portfolio can help you for further referencing when doing job applications. I always recommend WonderPrep, one of the platforms which you can use to easily document all your projects, listing the steps, the procedures, and whatever you are doing, architecture diagrams, project repositories, and so on. And once you've completed these projects, equally go ahead to upload these projects in your LinkedIn profile or update these projects in your resume. The moment you start applying for jobs and recruiters constantly see these projects which you've been working on, you give them the more confidence that you are the right fit for their role. So do a lot of hands-on projects while looking forward to getting yourself certified. Or if you're already certified and you want to build more experience around certifications, I recommend you now to take some of those certifications around specific skills. And if you're not yet certified or you're a beginner watching this video, you want to maybe start with the very basic cloud practitioner, then you go to associate. Before now, after working for a couple of years, you want to invest in getting the professional level certifications. Or well, if you actually have the resources, the financial resources to take the certifications while learning, you can go ahead to take those certifications. But just to say that certifications alone will not guarantee you a job. You need the certifications and you need the right skill set to be able to secure a job or to be able to land a job this year. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are not yet subscribed, and why not share this video to someone who has a doubt with respect to certifications. And if you need any video or you need me to clarify doubts about any particular thing, you can leave that in the comment section. And if you want me to do a video about any particular thing, you can equally leave that in the comment section, and why not join my community, Devops community, with the link in the channel description. Until then, see you in my next video.